Hello, welcome to Lpm Finance channel. I'm Leonardo Palma, investor, specialist in value investing and specialist in long-term investments. I'll be your teacher here at Lpm Finance, or rather, your facilitator in the process of learning and understanding various topics that concerns investments, always aiming at the application of this knowledge in a technical, rational way without creating false expectations in a very realistic way and leading you to become a real investor and consequently achieve your goals. Here on this channel, on our social networks and in our communities, the intention will always be to offer the greatest amount of knowledge as it will be possible, with the best quality for you, seeking to assist you in this process, which is the investor's journey. Among the various existing investment philosophies, here in Lpm Finance we aim to propagate or guide you within the philosophy of long-term investment, that is to acquire over time good assets with a view to equity grow over time, but mainly from the receipt of the proceeds, whether they are dividends or other forms of investor remuneration for part of your portfolio, and their reinvestment, which give you the opportunity to live on the income that these assets, these stocks will provide you, and then you will be able to achieve the long-awaited financial freedom. Thus, the long-term investment philosophy, with a focus on received dividends, for example, is the best philosophy for us that we believe, and more than that, we apply and seek you to influence you, which to achieve your dreams, in fact, in a consistent and perennial way, whether in the short, medium, and long term, in terms of period, time. This strategy basically consists of a few pillars. Choice of assets based on metrics other than just profitability, such as the sector in which this asset or stocks insert, history of payment of dividends, etc. So price definition based on the real value of this business, this company, translate this into the ability to generate cash flow, and that it has to remunerate or to pay the shareholders as well, whether these gains are one-off or have a historical ballast. So long-term focus, it's another one, and reinvest of these proceeds of this money that's coming from the the fact as you being a shareholder. So and also non-sale of these assets or your stocks, also consistency, patience, the assumption of some personal attributes like these ones derived from behavioral finance. So behavior matters, and matters a lot. You to become an investor, not a speculator. That's very important. So in this philosophy, this kind of philosophy, not every good company or good enterprise, whatever, is a good investment. So there are just some of the premise that we consider as pillar of long-term investment profile and this philosophy, but there are a lot of more. In my training as a specialist and investor, and consequently in the construction of this methodology here at Lpm Finance, I studied the predominant philosophies, value investing methodologies in the financial market as a whole, and all the products basically offer that. And in the same way, the largest profiles of the world financial market, such as Benjamin Graham, Philip Fisher, Warren Buffett, and also Luis Barsi, Brazilian one. So all these and more helped to build my investment philosophy and obtain good results along the way. So one of the things that is worth sharing about my experience, um, I'm Brazilian and I live in Rome since 2019. And this is just possible because of a good financial planning and choices that we took in the sense of applying the available resources. If I'm here today, I don't came from a rich family or anything, but this happened and continues to be possible, and more this process tend to be continued due to financial planning and good investments. Nowadays, we find many people, whether they are in the financial market or not, with certifications to work in the area or not, who tell you how to make money, how to get rich, or even to reach a certain goal, such as independence or financial freedom, for example. But we can see that just a few apply what they preach. So unfortunately, this is also part of the universe of finance today, and it is very easy for us to be contaminated with this type of discourse and believe that's really like this, that there is a magic formula that's very easy and very fast that you can reach this. And no, it's not like this. So it's always important for us to be aware of everything that's conveyed and to maintain a certain distance to rationally analyze everything that comes to us. And in finances or investments is the same. Having your own experience from your self-discernment to make your own decisions is what we recommend and we will always reinforce here. So there is no absolute truth that is a single method for you to get rich, be successful, or achieve your goals. So be aware when someone comes up with this type of speech because usually it's not like that. Our intention here is to inform, to provide you, as I said before, the most amount of information that we can have and about what we consider most important for you to be able to achieve your goals and financial goals in a technical, rational way, and that you can already apply at some level from this moment on. If you think this is for you, if you are interested in receiving this type of content, be sure to follow us here on in our social networks to always stay up to date with that we are posting, what we are posting. If you believe that this content or this type of philosophy may interest someone else, please share this video to reach more people so they can benefit from the information that will be published here from now. So for less than $1 a day, $1 a day, you have access to complete and unpublished classes, specialized library, lives, and other exclusive content for members of our community. That's right. All of this for less than $1 a day, lasting 1 year. So that you pay only once and you have free access after this payment to these and other benefits. So if you are interested, just contact us on our WhatsApp number and that is in description and leave a message like community or I want to be the part of community on our social networks or here in the comments and we will contact you as soon as possible. So thank you in advance for your time and interest. See you soon.